The Pentagon is expanding the size and scope of weaponry being rushed to Ukraine, including for the first time armed drones capable of inflicting significant damage to Russian ground units, while U.S. officials continue to search for sophisticated anti-aircraft systems owned by European allies. As part of a bigger military package announced by President Joe Biden, the U.S. is sending Ukraine 100 Switchblade kamikaze drones. What exactly do we know about this flying weapon? The Switchblade is basically a single-use drone that's small enough to fit in a backpack, cruises at around 62.1 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour, and carries cameras, guidance systems, and explosives to dive bomb into its target. Unlike most weapons, the Switchblade can also disengage or abort a mission at any time and then recommit to another target depending on what the operator commands. This aims to ensure that strikes are precise and can be called off at the very last minute if they endanger civilians or properties nearby. There are two versions of this suicide drone: the Switchblade 300 and the Switchblade 600. According to manufacturer AeroVironment, the Switchblade 300 can fly for up to 15 minutes and 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers before striking its target. The kamikaze drone uses real-time GPS coordinates and video for precise targeting with low collateral effects, the company says. It's launched from a tube, and its small size allows it to take off from a variety of air, sea, and ground platforms. The whole kit, including the payload, launcher, and transport bag, weighs just 5.5 pounds or 2.5 kilograms. The larger Switchblade 600 is a next-generation loitering missile that's able to destroy armored targets like tanks, but can still be set up and operational in less than 10 minutes, according to AeroVironment. It has a range of around 24.8 miles or 40 kilometers and an endurance of about 40 minutes, but is much heavier as a result, with the drone and missile it carries together weighing close to 121.2 pounds or 55 kilograms.
A sensor-to-shooter mission with Puma and Switchblade would have Puma as an overwatch looking for pop-up targets. Once a target is identified, it can quickly send that data to the Switchblade team, where they can quickly prosecute the target.
The primary purpose of Switchblade is to prosecute targets that have been identified either by the operators themselves or another ISR platform. Switchblade's patented wave-off capability could be for a number of reasons, whether the target developed a little bit too much, now there are non-combatants next to the target, or the target went away and the Switchblade operator, he doesn't want to prosecute what's actually in the target area. Switchblade disengage.
Waving off. Disengaging primary target.
The main benefits of sensor-to-shooter is the coordinate sharing and the video downlink, all packaged into one spot.
3, 2, 1, and back.